Welcome back to another Leftcurv video with Filippo's. I tried to do this about 2-3 times yesterday and then they all failed. Yeah, it's all good. You do watch a show. I'm talking to my girlfriend. Remember, I do have a partner. Alright, I'm going to simplify it this time. Today we're talking about TA, beginning stages of TA. And it's going to be very simple, and hopefully this video is no longer than a few minutes. Alright, so what is TA? Basically, TA is like charting. And drawing lines on price charts and graphs. But if you don't know how to read this kind of shit, then this is the video for you. Cool. So I forgot a few things already, but the first thing you're going to want to do is go to tradingview.com, make an account. See? That's me. And then log in. So this way you don't get a bunch of pop-ups and BS. The next thing you're going to want to do is go find whatever ticker you want to do TA on. I suggest doing it on crypto because this is a crypto channel. So if you want to do that, type in BTC if you're super cool like that and use the index. But in this case, I'm going to use ETH because I like it more. And we're going to use the index for that one. So we're already on there. Awesome. This is Ethereum to US dollar, aka the prices here are listed in US dollars. And this is Binance, what? Oops. That's other TA. Whatever. You get the idea. Use the index and just save it in your little thing here, your crypto tab window. Cool. Next thing you're going to do, bottom right, click on this, hit logarithmic. Your chart's going to look like this otherwise. It's ugly with jagged edges. Use logarithmic. Why? I don't know why, because everybody that taught me TA, aka the people I don't know online that I paid for courses from, say use logarithmic. Say that many times so you can say it properly. Cool. Alright, so what is this chart? Basically, it's just price over time. This line, this is price. Going across from left to right, this is time. If you start at the left and go to the right, you will move from the past to the future. Awesome. Alright, so now you understand that. And talk about time frames and candles. It should be candles and time frames, but here we are. Alright, so all these little things here, these are candles. Each one is a candle. And you can select, and then they represent a certain period of time. So right now I'm on the monthly chart. So each one of these candles represents a month. Look at the bottom down here. See how it goes February, March, April, May. Each candle represents a month. If you click on weekly, each candle represents a week or 7 days, right? We're just going to stick with the monthly in terms of simplicity because that's what we like to do. Simple, left curve. We're not overthinking shit. Cool. There's 4 things you need to know about candles, and they're all at the top of the screen. OHLC. So what does that stand for? Let's find a good candle and find out. It stands for open, high, low, close. We'll use this candle because it looks funny. Right? So the open price, on a red candle, that means price closed lower than it opened, and in a green candle, that means price closed higher than it opened. So let's use this red candle that looks like a spinning top. So it opened here at whatever price this was, or we can read at the top, open 2777 or 2777, also known as 2777, and it closed at 2711. It hit a high, right, up here of 4646 or 4646, and it hit a low of 1720, also known as an incredibly volatile month. So that all happened in the period of a month, right? That's all the candle does. If you break it down to 5 minutes, you'll see that whatever day this is probably today. Yep. This candle, you'll see the numbers kind of close in a little bit closer together because you're on a smaller time frame. Most TA and analysts usually say use the candles on the higher time frames because it kind of cuts out the noise. I highly suggest doing that too, but do whatever you want. It's your life to live and your money to lose or make. So that's candles, right? Time frame, price left to right, up and down, log view, candles, right? Hope you're following along. Support and resistances, cool. So this is probably the next thing to learn and do, and just start practicing this. You want to find open and close points where the candles open and close that a lot of candles open and close around those lines. So you see how there's two up here at the top of this market? We're going to draw a horizontal line. Option H if you're on a MacBook, and Control H I think if you're on a PC. We're also going to draw one here. And you see how price kind of jumped and bounced down multiple times here, here, kind of jumped over this line, jumped over there. So we're going to also put one here. Notice how price almost wicked down here, and here, and wicked up over here. A lot of times saying here. That is a support and resistance zone. Support zones on the bottom, resistance zones are price on the top. And usually these zones correspond to an area that price has a hard time or an easy time, but usually an area where price breaks through and also retests or rejects off and retests and whatever. But we'll learn that another time. So that's the basics of TA that you're going to learn on the first day here in my free YouTube TA course or whatever this is. And I hope it helps somebody. I hope this video, when I hit stop and done, actually saves this time. And I hope it's helpful. All right, you take care of yourselves. Take care of your bodies and souls. I need to get early sleep tonight. Enjoy your life.